How can the disabled persons be useful in society that must be included in education? Uh, in, inclu- uh, the answer is people with disability in education is essential because it unlocks their potentials and allows them to contribute uh, meaningfully to society. Here are a few ways in which individuals with disability can be invaluable to society when given with equal educational opportunities. Number one, diverse perspective. Individuals with disability possess a wide range of talent and skills. Again, people with disability bring unique perspective and problem-solving approaches. Their experience often led to innovative solutions, and creative thinking, which can benefit workplaces and communities. Number two, talent and skills. Individuals with disabilities possess a wide range of talents and skills. When included in the education, they can develop these abilities and apply them in various fields such as technology, art, science, and more. Many successful professionals and artists have these abilities and make significant contributions to their field. 3. Empathy. Empathy and advocacy. Inclusive education fosters empathy and understanding among all students. People with disabilities can become powerful advocates for social change and inclusions, promoting awareness and policies that benefit everyone. Number 4, economic contributions. By receiving the quality of education, individuals with disabilities can enter in the workforce, contributing the economy and achieving the financial independence. This helps reduce economic burden on families and societies while enhancing overall productivity. Number 5, role models. People with disability who succeed in their endeavor become role models for others, inspiring both individuals with similar challenges and society at large. Their achievements highlight the importance of perseverance and determination. 6. Social integration. Inclusive education promotes social integrations and reduces isolations for individuals with disabilities. It helps build a more inclusive and compassionate society where everyone is valued and supported. 7. Breaking stereotypes. When individuals with disabilities excel in various areas, they challenge and break down stereotypes and misconceptions. This leads to a more inclusive and equitable society where everyone's potential is recognized. Innovation. Number 8, innovation and education. Inclusive education encourages the development of innovative teaching methods and technologies that benefit all students, not just those with disabilities. This advancement can lead to more effective and engaging learning environments. By including children with disabilities in education, we ensure that their potential is nurtured and that they have the same opportunities to thrive as everyone else. This in turn enriches society as a whole, making it more diverse, inclusive, and resilient. Number 2 questions. Give me one best legal basis with explanations that law legalizing inclusive and special education and its benefits for disabled persons. One key legal basis for inclusive and special educations in the Philippines is Republic Act 9 number 11650, also known as instituting a policy of inclusions and services for learners with disabilities in support of inclusive educations. Also known as, again, instituting a policy of inclusions and services for learners with disabilities. This is again in support of Inclusive Education Acts. Explanation. This law was enacted to ensure that learners with disabilities have access to quality education. It mandates the establishment of inclusive learning resource centers in all schools, districts, municipalities, and cities. The goal to provide learners with disabilities the necessary support and resource to participate fully in the general education system. The policy emphasizes creating an inclusive environment where all learners, regardless of their abilities, can thrive and contribute to society. Benefits for disabled persons. Number 1, equal opportunities. The law ensures that children with disabilities have the same opportunities to access quality education as their peers. This includes access to specialized services and resources tailored to their needs. Number 2, social integration. Inclusive education promotes social integrations by allowing children with disability to learn and interact with their peers. This helps them develop social skills and fosters a sense of belonging and acceptance. Number 3, holistic development. Participation in inclusive education supports the holistic development of children with disabilities. They benefit from diverse learning environments that caters their cognitive, emotional, and social growth. Number 4, empowerment and independence. Inclusive education empowers children with disabilities by providing them with the skills and knowledge that needed to become independent and self-reliant individuals. It prepares them for future employment and participation in community life. Number 5, reduction and of stigma. By promoting inclusive education, society can reduce the stigma and discriminations associated with disabilities. It fosters a culture of understanding, empathy, and respect for diversity. Number 6, improve quality life. Access to inclusive education can significantly improve the quality of life for individuals with disabilities. It opens up opportunities for lifelong learning, personal development, and social inclusion. Now, inclusive education is not just about providing access. It's about creating an environment where every student feel valued and supported. This approach benefits not only children with disabilities but also their peers and the entire school communities. Give me one best legal basis with explanations the law legalizing inclusive and special education, and why is there a need to include children with disability. One of the key legal basis for inclusive and special education is Republic Act number 11650. Next, what are the legal basis of inclusive education in the Philippines? In the Philippines, several legal bases support inclusive education. Here are some key ones. Republic Act number 11650. This is also known as the instituting a policy of inclusion and service for learners with disabilities in support of Inclusion Education Act. Mandates the establishment of inclusive learning resource centers in all school districts, municipalities, and cities. It aims to provide learners with disabilities the necessary support and resources to participate fully in the general education system. 2. DepEd Order number 43, Series 2013. The Department of Education issued this order to promote inclusive education as a core principle of the Enhanced Basic Education Program, or K-12. It emphasizes institutional sensitivity, and responsiveness to the diverse needs of learners. 3. Republic Act number 7227, also known as the Magna Carta for Disabled Persons. This act ensures that persons with disabilities have an access to education and other services. It promotes their rights and welfare, including the right to education. 4. Republic Act number 10533. This act, as the Enhanced Basic Education Act 2013, aims to provide quality education for all learners, including with those with disabilities. It recognizes the diversity of learners and promotes inclusive education. 5. Republic Act number 9442. This Act amends Republic Act 9 number 7277 and provides additional benefits and privileges to persons with disabilities, including access to education. This legal basis collectively work towards creating an inclusive educational environment where all learners, regardless of their abilities, can thrive and contribute to society. That's all, and thank you.